channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a review on a styling tool and I will have clips of me using the tool. This beautiful girl here is Estetica's Reeves and she's in the color Iced Mocha. You will see a review up on her soon. Reeves is like other, not all, but a lot of the name brand wigs or some of the Amazon wigs that I review are not heat safe. So in order to style them, you don't have the heat option. Now I did do a video on how to use a travel steamer on a non-heat safe wig and you can go check that out. But I want to just try to like mix it up and do different things and try different tools to see what your options are. Some people don't want to use a travel steamer, they're not comfortable. So I have this. This is just the packaging. This is the Revlon Shine Enhancing Hot Air Kit, styles and dries in one easy step. It says that it smooths, shines, and it creates soft curls and waves. It has 3 attachments and then also some different settings. So look at it. It's this right here, very, very lightweight. It has these 3 settings. So it does have high heat, low heat, and it does have cool air. So that is what I used on this, was the cool setting. So I'm not using heat on it. And then obviously it says off. So you can hear, you know, it sounds like a blow dryer. This right here is the release for the attachment. So it has this smaller barrel that you just push and pull off. It has a larger barrel and all you do is, yeah, you click it and you heard the click. And you have that, and then you also have just the hair dryer. I was using this Revlon one, and this has the brush, and similar, it's the air and the brush together, and it has like the hot air, the cool air. It's the same type of settings. And I enjoyed this, but I felt like it was just a little bit bulky. There's definitely a difference in the weight. This is much, much heavier. I used it mostly to like break up permatease and to just like when I'm setting the part by putting moisture on the part. Like for this one I used this African Essence Control Wig Spray 3-in-1 formula. I put it onto wet and then I took the air dryer, which I'm just gonna click this in here and it's clicked in, to dry it in place while it was clipped. I feel like this was what I was kind of using the other brush for, so definitely going to keep using this one. Not that I don't like the other one, but I think this is just more useful and I like that it's not as heavy. I did use this attachment to just give a little bit of curl to the bangs because they're kind of like, I hate when it's like a curly wig and then the bangs are like bone straight. I just can't not stand that. So far so good. You will see me using it in other videos. I definitely enjoyed it. It's very easy to use. Like I said, it is lightweight, so that is really important. I do think that it gave this a bit of a curl. You could use still like the lowest heat setting for like just a second. I don't think it would harm the wig necessarily, but the fact that it's cool air that you can use, so I would go through, curl it with the cool air and then just like clip it and wait till it dries. I really love that I can put a little bit of air on this part just to break up this permatease. Now this one doesn't have a lot to begin with, so but it's an option for styling if you don't want to use the travel steamer and you think that the brush is a little bit too bulky. This would be an option. I like both these tools. It's just, you know, more of a matter of preference and how you're going to be using them. So if you have this tool and you have some thoughts, please put that down below. If you enjoy these sort of like using different tools on the wigs and reviews, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will include my cutting and styling playlist, and you can go ahead and check out the different styling tools and techniques that I've already done. If there's something that's not in there that you would like to see, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!